Good afternoon, students. This is Saraswati KB, Assistant Professor, Government First Aid College, Tiptur. In this video session, we shall learn about summary writing. Writing in any form is challenging unless you actually possess the ability to communicate absolutely through the power of your words. Writing is an art, attaining proficiency in which is quite tough. You not only need highly creative skills but also should concentrate thoroughly to be able to produce a highly effective piece of writing. A summary is a shortened version of a letter, a passage, a report, an article, chapter, or in a book written in the summarizer's own words. A précis writing is supposed to convey the summary of the passage in concern with the use of minimal words. Précis is a form of summary writing. It should communicate all the important points of the passage in a simpler and easier way. The motive of précis writing is to introduce the reader with the idea of the passage by disseminating the information in a short form. Précis writing is an exercise in comparison. A précis is the gist of a passage expressed in as few words as possible. A précis should give all essential points so that anyone reading it will be able to understand the idea expressed in the original passage. The length of a précis, as a general rule, should not contain more than a third of the total number of words in the original passage. Most people read carelessly and fail to fully comprehend the meaning of the passage. Précis writing forces them to pay attention to what they read because no one can write a summary of the passage unless they read it carefully. So, summarizing teaches one to read with concentration. Précis writing improves the overall writing skills. It teaches how to express the thoughts clearly, concisely, and effectively. We also learn to choose the words carefully and construct the sentences in a logical and concise manner. There are rules for writing a précis. Some of the simple rules are explained here. The first and most important thing is to thoroughly read and comprehend the purpose of the passage. By understanding the theme, you get to clearly perceive the important points which further help you in writing crisp and short summary of the passage. In précis writing, you need to be carefully mold the structure of a sentence by keeping the essence of the points alive. Remember, you cannot copy the same sentences. You must always rewrite them in an efficient way. One imperative point that you should always keep into consideration is that a précis writing has to be very clear. You have to write short, but the meaning of the passage should not change. Also, it should at no point change the context of the passage. The précis write-up should at every point demonstrate the writing skills you possess. From the language of the writing to appropriate usage of words, every single step should exhibit high perfection and excellence. While writing, you should always ensure that you write every sentence by yourself. That is, be original. A précis writing is done by analyzing the point of view of a third person, so it cannot imply the use of direct speech. It has to be effectively done by using the indirect speech. The number and the facts help to maintain the credibility of the text. It also helps to increase the quality of the writing and even builds the interest of the reader in the topic of writing. Therefore, we must not miss out the facts and numbers while writing the précis. It is by carefully analyzing the various sections of the essay that we can successfully evaluate the importance of the respective parts. Being a précis writer, we ought to conclude the passage with our own understanding of the essay. The précis must be of 1/3 of the original passage along with maintaining the individuality of the passage. Now let us come to the steps for writing a précis. Précis writing is based on the facts and figures you have gathered from a certain passage, so it is highly crucial for you to read the passage thoroughly. The very first step of précis writing is to form a clear understanding of the passage. While reading the content, make sure you highlight the important points of the passage. Also, you should omit the information which you feel is not important. Further, you need to remember that logically ordering is highly important when it comes to précis writing. The right ordering helps in making things much clearer to the audience and they tend to understand your take in a processed way. If you have some names to be mentioned in the précis, remember they should be with designations to increase the credibility of the content. The word count of the passage should be taken into account because 1/3 of the same has to be written in précis. Prepare the draft of your précis by jotting all the important points together. Do remember to maintain the flow of your writing and you should not miss any important information you have collected while reading the passage. See, now they have presented it figuratively, the 4 steps of précis. First you have to study the text, then you have to structure your information according to the context, revise and proofread it, and most important, you have to make it objective. Before finally submitting your précis, make sure you review all the details carefully. You must do a thorough check of your grammatical and structural errors. Furthermore, one thing not to miss is to mention the total count in a bracket after the end point of your précis. Now let us come to the attributes of a perfect précis, the qualities of a perfect précis. There are 5 things which you have to remember to make your précis perfect. One is clarity, correctness, objectivity, coherence, and conciseness. If your précis is clear, it means that your reader can fully comprehend the idea, meaning, and purpose of the author's work. If your précis is correct, it means that it is devoid of spelling, grammar, and punctuation mistakes and is easy to digest. Objectivity here stands for the neutral voice of book or article summary in which any opinion from the first person is omitted. Coherent précis pertains to the consequent interrelation of the main text ideas. This point is important because your readers will want to see the logical flow of concepts and notions without losing their interest while reading your précis. Finally, conciseness denotes the ability to state the ideas clearly while avoiding useless details in your précis. Of course, you should never abstain from facts, but keep yourself away from lengthy and vague expressions, repetitions, and generally known expressions. Dear students, in this session of the video, we learnt the basic things about précis writing, the rules to be followed, and the steps that are needed for writing the précis. In the next two sessions, I have some sample examples for you which you can study it by yourselves. Thank you for watching.